Welcome to today's video. Kick off your amazing digital detox adventure today. Have you ever felt the urge to simply switch everything off, to silence the incessant pings, dings, and chimes that have become the soundtrack to our modern lives? If the thought of a little digital quiet appeals to you, then you are in the right place. I want to invite you on a small journey, a gentle 5-day reset designed not to punish but to refresh. This isn't a dramatic abandonment of technology. It's a small step back to rediscover the world beyond our screens. Breathe, focus, reconnect. One evening, one meal, one conscious decision to leave your phone in another room. Profound change often begins with the smallest actions, so let us begin. We live in an age of unprecedented connection, or so we are told. With a few taps, we speak across oceans, access knowledge, and witness events in real time. Yet many of us feel more disconnected than ever. The constant stream of alerts creates a low-level hum of anxiety. We are always available and our brains rarely get to switch off. Our attention fragments, work, conversation, even reading become harder. Sleep suffers, blue light disrupts cycles, and one last scroll keeps minds racing. Digital fatigue touches mood, relationships, and well-being. A detox isn't rejection, it's reclaiming autonomy and resetting. Like a fallow garden, minds need rest to replenish focus and creativity. You'll notice small changes, richer meals, more vivid walks, more meaningful conversations. This is the why. Create space and rediscover what lies within it. To understand the pull, I went cold turkey for a day. I put every screen away. The silence felt like the house exhaled. No headlines, emails, or feeds, just birds and the city waking. The urge was physical, but without the device, it passed. I read with focus, walked, noticed texture, detail. Everything felt more real. I felt bored, then baked bread. Out of boredom came creation. A landline chat felt deeper and more attentive. No late-night news or stressful emails. I slept better than I had in months. That 24 hours proved disconnection supports well-being and sparked this plan. Let's turn experience into action. Simple steps, gentle pace, strong results. Our reset begins with one clear, achievable rule. No screens in the bedroom, starting 1 hour before bedtime. No phone, no tablet, no laptop, no television. Make your bedroom a haven for sleep, not an office or cinema. Use a simple alarm clock. Charge your phone in another room. Let others know. Most will understand, and some will follow. Tonight, notice calmer mind, less eye strain, sleeping better. Getting through the first night is a powerful first step. Small change, big impact. Your foundation is set. Day 2, don't quit. Get intentional. Limit social media to one scheduled 20-30 minute window. Turn off all non-essential notifications. Keep only what truly matters. When the urge hits, pause. Acknowledge without judgment. Is it information, connection, or just distraction? Stand up, stretch, breathe 3 times, drink water, let the urge pass. Every time you choose something else, you win. You'll likely catch up faster than you think. Day 3, create phone-free pockets. 2 or 3 today. Pick one meal, put devices away, taste every bite, give people full attention. On commutes and breaks, look up. Let your mind wander, ideas bloom. You'll notice little joys you'd been missing. The texture of life returning. Short, deliberate pockets build calm into the fabric of your day. Today, replace screen time with something tangible. Pick one activity, 30 to 60 minutes. This is about hands, body, and mind. Remind yourself of the joy of real-world creation. Put on music and simply listen. Follow a physical recipe, grounding, sensory, satisfying. Walk without podcasts or audiobooks. Hear leaves, birds, distant laughter. Feel sun and wind. Get absorbed until you forget your phone. This flow heals the mind. Rediscover a passion, or find a new one that lasts beyond the reset. Tomorrow we weave these habits into life. Day 5, reflect on what worked and make a simple plan. Screen-free bedroom, scheduled social time, phone-free meals. Choose what's most helpful and doable. Write your rules where you'll see them. Visual cues cement habits. This isn't all or nothing. It's small, intelligent adjustments. Better sleep, increased focus, reduced stress, deeper connection, tangible rewards. If you slip, notice, learn, begin again. Progress, not perfection. No need to wait, begin today. Take one small step, set one clear rule. No phone at dinner. Turn off notifications for one app. Create a 15-minute phone-free pocket. Choose one analog activity, read 10 pages. Tell someone your plan. You have the power to change. Begin right now. A calmer, more present you is waiting. The journey starts with a single step, taken right where you are. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.